If you thought video apps like Sythesia, Veed, HeyGen, BeepBrain were smart, then what I'm about to show you will blow your socks off. What if you could have your own unique, ultra-realistic AI humans that speaks any text you type in any language? Yes, that's right. World's first generative AI human spokesperson. Video creator at your fingertips. 16 times faster at creating studio quality. Videos, sales video, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, animated videos, reels, shorts, and presentations. Without mics, camera, actors, or studio equipment. Would that interest you? The good news is, you can finally access something 16 times more powerful than any video creator out there. We took AI from the biggest tech companies in the world, Google and OpenAI, and we fused their power together with neural ML AI into an even better video creator. Exactly 16 times smarter, faster, and better than Synthesia, Veed, DeepBrain, HeyGen, and unlike other video apps, VidMake exclusive uses generative AI human face technology that create your own unique digital human faces for your video spokesperson that speak any text you type in any language. Other video apps force you to use their already made avatars and unrealistic presenters used by everyone out there. With VidMake, you stand out with your custom spokesperson. Our revolutionary generative AI video creator isn't just a tool, it's your gateway to creating studio-quality videos for your business without hiring actors, models, studio, or paying huge fees. The future of video is here. Create custom hyper-realistic AI spokesperson in seconds just by selecting your desired specifications. Meet VidMake, your new generative AI video creator, world's first generative AI human spokesperson. Video creator generates unique, hyper-realistic virtual humans that speak any text you type in any language. VidMake is 16x faster at creating studio-quality videos, sales video, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, animated videos, reels, shorts, and presentations. Without mics, camera, actors, or studio equipment, type anything and get stunning, ultra-realistic digital human studio-quality videos in 5 seconds. No disappointment. Work 24/7, 365 days. Never waste money on freelancers, video creators, or ineffective video apps. Again, VidMake can speak and engage like real humans in more than 1,600 human-sounding voices with emotions in over 144 languages and dialects. And that's just 0.1% of what it can do. We are really scratching the surface. Because VidMake is so powerful, you can even create your own human-like spokespersons, actors, and models for your video. Yes, just imagine that for a second. Having a video app that produces long-length videos in all languages and topics. That just shows how powerful VidMake is. Aside from using VidMake to create any type of videos, here are a few ways you could start making money. You could go on sites like Upwork and charge thousands of dollars for high-quality videos and 3D animation videos and use VidMake to create them. You could also charge people thousands of dollars to voiceovers and audio or video transcription without recording anything. Just let VidMake do all the work for you. Another way to make money would be to provide local businesses with promo videos created by VidMake and charge them $1,000 to $2,000. Or you can create affiliate review videos to generate traffic to your affiliate links and receive commissions from platforms like Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and Amazon. Really, the possibilities here are endless. When you get your hands on VidMake, you'll join hundreds of our users who are profiting by offering video services to people and businesses. That's because VidMake can handle any tedious, difficult video task you throw at it. Here's how easy it is to get started. Finally, get all your videos, sales videos, courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, viral celebrity videos, kids story videos, reels, shorts, 3D animated videos and presentations, and more. Done in 60 seconds. By AI, you're just 3 steps away from having your own dedicated virtual humans that speak anything you type in any language. Step 1. Look below this video and click the yellow button to get a copy of VidMake. Do this now to get VidMake while it's still available for a one-time price. The monthly pricing will kick in soon, so don't miss out. Step 2. When you're inside of VidMake, ask it anything using text or press few buttons. For example, if you want VidMake to create a 3D animated video, tell it specifically what you want. The more detailed, the better. And step 3. Hit the enter button and you'll receive an instant lightning-fast Pixar superstar quality video from VidMake. That's it. In less than 1 minute, VidMake can effortlessly create any type of videos for you and your clients without any additional cost. Videos like spokesperson video, 3D animated videos, sales videos, video courses, YouTube videos, webinars, video ads, social media ads, viral celebrity videos, kids story videos, reels, shorts, and presentations. Generate audio and voiceovers. Transcribe audio or video. Think there's more to it? There isn't. Yes, it really is as simple as that. If you can do something as simple as turning on a light switch or popping a meal in the microwave, you can use VidMake. That's because the AI behind the curtains uses neural ML generative AI technology. And here's where this is really light years ahead of other video apps. You see, the problem with other video apps is that they force you to use their rigid templates, overused spokespersons, and character, which limit your creativity. But not VidMake. VidMake uses our exclusive generative AI human face technology that create your own unique digital human faces for your video spokesperson, unlike others. And another problem with other video apps is that they're well known to have restricted video limits of 1 to 5 minutes. I mean, if you've ever used apps like Synthesia, VidMake before, you've definitely seen the minutes or character limit exceeded page before, right? And the only way to bypass this is to pay them hundreds of dollars a year. But VidMake is better than them, and it costs just a one-time investment, which will quickly pay for itself, considering the various video services you can provide to people, like marketing videos, animation videos, video courses creation. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on VidMake, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action. So no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app has fused the power of the latest neural ML generative AI into something even smarter than any video app out there. VidMake is the only tool that can pull this off, and it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. Whether you're a content marketer, video marketer, copywriter, offline marketer, local business owner, YouTuber, or vlogger, or really anyone who's doing video marketing, VidMake will make your life a whole lot easier. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out VidMake risk-free. If you don't like VidMake for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money with zero hassles. That means there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So, what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get VidMake while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.